How to install a replacement LED for the EXC-120 microscope series from ACCU-SCOPE. You will need a 1-watt LED from your authorized ACCU-SCOPE dealer, small cable ties, diagonal cutting pliers, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Remove any slides you may have on the stage. Make sure your microscope is powered off and unplugged from the back of the microscope. You may want to also remove the camera from your trinocular head if applicable. Carefully rest the microscope on its back and remove the 5 screws highlighted that hold the base of the microscope. Remove the base from the microscope frame. Cut the 2 cable ties that secure the old LED and unplug from the circuit board. Your new LED may have a small adapter. Make sure the end you use matches your pre-existing LED. There are 2 screws that hold the LED to the plate. Remove them both. Remove the old LED and attach the replacement one. Position the screws towards the outside ends of the widened holes before tightening into place. This placement will align the LED. Plug the new LED into the same connector that the previous LED resided in. Secure your cables with the cable ties using the same anchor points you previously cut. Cleanly cut the ends of each cable tie. Reattach the base by sliding it into the highlighted grooves. The bottom of the base should be flush with the bottom of the frame. Screw in the 5 screws that were removed earlier. You can now bring the microscope upright and test your new LED.